Welcome to my first full supercar review, and what better way to start than with the McLaren 570S. Today I'm taking you through its stunning exterior design, the driver-focused interior, that heart-throbbing twin-turbo V8, and of course, we're taking it out for a proper spin. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. So, yeah man, got the McLaren 570S Coupe. Look at the light signature over here in the shape of the McLaren emblem, the Kiwi. Then you got the exposed radiators, all the aero packaging over here. Look at the nose, flat. Here, all over to the wheels. You got the carbon ceramic brake discs, McLaren orange brake calipers, and the 20-inch wheels to match with it. You can check even the wheels sort of paint match to the rest of the car. 570S badging over here, and of course the doors, you cannot miss the doors. Yeah, and come over to the back. Also, you check over here, you got the exposed air inlets. You can get all the air over there. Move over to the back. It's a beast still. Come over on the check. That's the V8 motor, twin turbos. Got the exhaust out the back, carbon or rear diffuser over here. Even the light signature is mad, you know. Everything is shaped in McLaren form. That's why we do it, man. No. How's it though? How's it on the road?
Mate, unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't even. Totally different to the Porsche.
So what are you thinking?
I'm rubbing an hour in, so basically it's my mate's.
Yeah.
He wants a Porsche again, because it's only a two-seater, he's got two young girls. He said, look, why don't you? I said, well, I'll get in it. I said, I've always liked them, but they're small in there. He went, mate, they're just hard to get in. Once you're in it,
you're in,
you lay down in it. But basically it's my Porsche, about 20k.
Alright.
So do you know what, mate? I'm just having fun in it for a week.
Yeah, I've been seeing you every day, man. Going through. Yeah, it's quite low, isn't it?
3.8. It's got the nose lift on it, lifting nose up.
Yeah.
3.8 turbo V8.
Yeah, man. Sounds mean as well.
Right, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, how you get in? Alright.
Put your arse in and then
Sort of like throw yourself back in it. Yeah, man. It's position to go, isn't it? Like the seats.
They are quite basic inside, but nice.
Yeah.
You look, when you shut the door down, got plenty of room, look.
Yeah. True. It's proper cockpit, isn't it? The drive, got the Alcantara dash, got the orange stitching as well. Look at the seats, got the bolsters, orange seat belts. For sound, you got Bose and Wilkins sound system. You got this infotainment screen right there. I think this is probably like a 7-inch. You got your controls over here. Engine start, I think manual, traction control off and on. Yeah, this is your manual start, so neutral, track, I think active mode, launch, drive, neutral and reverse, lock and all of that. Yeah, man. All the controls. This is, look at the carbon. Alright, man. Yeah, these are the dual controls and you can open it. Yeah, man, this material is so nice. You got some storage space in the back as well, a little bit. Yeah, you can fit maybe a couple duffel bags there. Easy to open doors. Doors go up. McLaren. 40 days of parking. Good.
Start it while you're in there.
Yeah.
Good start. You film it when you start it, so I'll put the key in the middle.
The key right there. So yeah, this is the front nose lift. It's equipped with that. Steering wheel feels responsive, and yeah, it's not as soft, but it actually feels quite firm. You can do bits. Got the McLaren key. It's kind of shaped like a car, you know what I mean? And infotainment screen. You got it, and air vents over here, my hot air. I mean, it's nice, man. Got the McLaren plaque over here. Oh, the interior. Yeah, and these seats, they're nice.
They pull you around.
Yeah.
Side of the around, lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's up to 1080. Woo!
Yeah, Dream Big 78. I'll show you. It's got me, Dream Big 78, yeah? Sweet.
Are you guys going to come back in?
Yeah, am I dropping you here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll come back here. Yeah.
See ya.
Oh, yeah, man. We're inside a McLaren 570S. 570, actually. If you don't mind being on camera. It feels like you're outside, you know, like
It's mad drive, you know.
you know what I mean, like the view out the window and
Yeah.
how you're moving. It just feels like it doesn't feel like you're in a big
it's
car.
crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a different. Yeah, I thought with the weather we won't be able to do it.
shit.
Mad weather, man. So have you decided yet?
Basically, he's got a service on the 7th, so he's going to service it. And then he's basically, if I don't buy it, he's going to put it away from the window because he always puts it away.
Yeah.
So I might let him put it away and then have a chat with him like March time. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, for summer.
He said I could still use it if I want to drag it out.
Yeah, yeah.
So he's got my Porsche, you see. So
takes off, man. Yeah, man, you can hear the turbos go. I bet even in the Spider it's even crazier because the intakes are right there. I'm waiting for the guy to finish up the logo for the kit.
yeah, he told me. I spoke with him. I've been with him all. He's a good guy, mate.
Yeah.
So if you get the logo, because he couldn't print it off that photo, could he?
Yeah.
You need to get the MPEG of it, send it to him, and then he can print it.
Yeah, so I sent him the stuff. Then he was like, yeah, just give me a couple of days to sort it out.
Yeah, he's a good guy, mate.
Yeah.
He'll make it. He'll do anything you want. Hoodies, fleece, whatever you want.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll do those. Probably start with a few just to test the waters. Yeah.
That's mate. That's what I'm doing with my feet.
Test the waters, then. Actually quite feels comfortable, when you look at.
You in it, you think you're a big lad, same as me.
Yeah.
Mate, 6'3". Look, it's fine. I was very surprised at it.
Yeah, that's the thing, because considering it's stock. I wonder now when people put those like Tanis and all them kind of exhaust.
It's a turbo, isn't it?
Yeah.
I tell you what though, you lose your license, innit?
Yeah, one time, innit?
He just wants to play, do you know what I mean? You don't want to drive normally.
Nah.
And it's so, you know, the Porsche is quite stiff steering. This
Yeah.
is so responsive, like, look, it's ridiculous.
Made for the track, innit?
Made for the track,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Not a normal car, is it?
Nah. Handles well too, innit?
Yeah, yeah. Just there, innit?
Yeah, these other guys who don't like, innit? They will just pull up in front of you and once you drive a car like this, you never go back to anything slow.
Spoils you, man. Spoils you big time.
Yeah, that's when you see those quotes make sense, innit? When they're like, nah, just buy the car, bro. You figure it out. Because once you're in there,
That's what everyone says.
Yeah.
You know, when the trouble is, Craig, you're going to be fucking, you've gone to another level here now.
yeah,
It's a level that fucking, you can't, not every car's that level.
it's not gonna be the same, innit? I know I'm gonna see 5 STB soon.
My best thing.
Yeah.
These ceramics, man.
Yeah, man. Those ceramics grip, innit? Put down the window a little bit so we get a bit of that. Yeah, this is I think that's the first proper supercar review for the page.
Is it?
Yeah. So there's a video I'm thinking of doing, including the Defender.
Yeah.
So yeah, when I fully think of the actual structure,
Yeah.
we'll do something about
Yeah,
it.
at least you got this on record now, haven't you?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we've been in supercar times. First supercar review of the channel. You can listen to that V8. I hope the camera can pick up the sound.
Wait for it to slow down. Let's do that.
You will lose that license. What? This is crazy.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. 'Cause, 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 you're looking for a supercar, look McLaren away. Some good fun out here, man. Spend the whole day doing this, man. If you're bored at home, you just go outside, man.
Just get in your car. You don't even need no music on.
Nah, no music.
I just want to hear the music and out that engine.
I don't even know why they put a radio.
Nah, you don't need it. Get the window down.
Window down.
Like you say, that spider.
Yeah, that'd be a
Where's your
different.
man with the camera there?
He's right there. Quick as well, man.
Stop it. So park it straight like this, so you can take some more shots.
Yeah, straight.
Or spin it.
Spin it, then facing down.
Good, we've got the sun on it. See, it's all buttons. It's fucking mad. Just
Yes, different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Still got a review camera, so I mean,
camera.
still usable as a daily, crazy daily, but
Pull that up. I'll say it in a minute.
in the theater of these doors, man. Yeah, give us one. Mental. So here it is, guys. You saw the McLaren 570S. I mean, I don't even have anything to say, but I'm sure you guys heard that, you guys felt that, and yeah, man, this is the first supercar review of the channel. I mean, the first full supercar review of the channel. Hope you guys like it. If you did, stay tuned for more epic content like this coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.